Very good morning to all once again. Standard 12 Commerce, subject statistic, and chapter number 3 of part 2, that is normal distribution. In last particular lecture, then we learned about various properties as well as example number 6. So normal various properties of standard deviation and various properties of standard normal deviations. Okay, so two types of property that we have to learn over here: standard distribution and normal distribution, and standard normal distribution. And example number 6 that we have to complete. Right now we are going to calculate or discuss about example number 7, which is very useful and it's totally different whatever we learn in example number 1 to 5. Now example number 7, from example number 7 and onwards, it's totally different. Okay, so listen carefully as well as you have to concentrate over here by with focus. Okay, so let us discuss example number 7. If the probability for the standard normal variable z are as under, then obtain the value of z score z1. Okay, so here there is no information about mean, there is no information about standard deviation (SB). Without two things, we have to find out this answer. Okay, so what is the question and what we have to find out? Let's see. Number 1, area of the left of. So number 1, area of the left of Z1 is 0.95. Okay, and second one, that is area to right of Z is equal to, that is Z is equal to Z1 is 0.05. Okay, so whenever this type of example is there, first of all you have to draw bell-shaped diagram. Okay, because there is no mean, there is no standard deviation, so on the basis of that particular bell-shaped diagram, you can decide that what should be the answer. Okay, so here that I will draw bell-shaped diagram. Okay, so this is the bell-shaped diagram. Okay, this is z is equal to 0, minus infinity and plus infinity. Okay, so this is the fine. So what they ask, so what is in question? Left hand side of z1 is equal to 0.95. Now 0.95. Okay, as we know, this is the minus side, this is the plus side. Okay, and the value of both the side is 0.5, 0.5. Okay, so definitely this is 0.5 and this is plus is there, this is plus 1. That's why here at the end 0.95 is there. That is the value of z1. Okay, now what we have to do? Left hand side. It means that left hand side of z1. Okay, it means that we have to find out this much portion as well as this portions also. Okay, 0.5 and plus side 95. Now what we have to do, on the basis of this, we have to find out the value of this. Okay, how we can find out? Again, we have to start from left hand side. Okay, so here then we can see that P probability of Z is equal to Z1 is equal to minus infinity to 0 plus 0 to Z1 1, and the value of both, that is 0.95, which is already given in your question. Okay, now as we know, what is the value of this much to half portion? What is the value of half portion? 0.5. Okay, so here we have to put down 0.5 plus 0.5 plus probability of, yes, P of 0 z z1 is equal to 0.5. Okay, 0.5 plus converted from right hand side, so it's minus. So here P of 0 z z1 is equal to 0.95 minus 0.50. Okay, so the value is 0.45. So this is the first answer. This is the first answer. Okay, now 0.45, this is your answer. Up to this example, what we have to do? We have to get the value of Z1, and on the basis of Z1, we have to find out the value of probability area. In this example, it's totally reverse, totally opposite. We have value of probability area, and on the basis of this probability area, we have to find out the value of Z1. Okay, so on the basis of this probability area, what is the probability area? 0.4500. On the basis of this value, we have to find out Z1. This is the question. Okay, so how we can find out? So again, we have to use, you have to use the last page of your page, of your textbook. Okay, so open the last page. How we can find out? Let's see. What is given? 0.45. Okay, so here we have to find out where is 0.4500. Okay, so when you see, so 1.6 and 1.64. At the value of 1.64, 0.4495 is there, and 1.654505 is there. Exactly 0.45 is not given. Okay, so in between, whatever in between value is there, that we have to find out. Okay, so value is 1.64 and 1.65. Okay, so here we have to take the average of both. What we have to take? Average of both. Okay, so here we have to take. So here before value, so before 0.45, and value is 0.4495, which is 1.64, and after 0.45, that is the value is 0.4505, and that is 1.65. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to take the average of both. What we have to take? We have to take average of both. It means that 1.64 and 1.65. We have to take the average of both. Okay, so what is the average? So Z1 is equal to 1.64 plus 1.65 divided by 2. So Z1 is equal to 1.645. So this is the value of Z1. Okay, so see carefully. Okay, see carefully how we can find out. Whatever information is given, first of all we have to draw bell-shaped diagram. Step number 1. Step number 2, we have to see either it is left side or right side, and on the basis of this particular things, we have to find out the value of Z1. Same way, second example is that. So second example is, what is the second example? Area of right side we have to draw bell shaped diagram. Okay, so let us see over here. This is bell shaped diagram. Fine. Z is equal to 0. Okay. Now 0.5. As we know that what is the value of half portion minus infinity and here plus infinity. That is 0.5 and 0.5. Okay. So from right hand side that we have to start. Okay. So how we can start right hand side? So this is a 0.05 because we have to start over here. Here left hand side, so we have to start from left hand side. Here right hand side, so we have to start here right hand side. And what is the answer? What is the question? That is right hand side from 0.5. So this is 0.5 and right hand side. So right hand side is equal to this portion. Okay, right hand side is equal to these remaining portions. Okay, now it is easy how we can find out. Okay, so here probability of P Z1, yes, P Z up to Z1, probability of 0 to plus infinity minus, okay, minus probability of Z1 to, yes, 0 to Z1, okay, that is 0 to Z1. So 0 to plus infinity minus 0 to Z1. So this is the, as we know that we have to find out Z1, we have to find out this portion. Listen, we have to find out this portion. How we can find out? From 0 to plus infinity minus 0 to 0. So from the whole portion, if we are deducting this portion, we get the answer of our required portions. Okay. So here how we can find out? As we know, the value of this is 0.50 half portions minus the value of this is 0.05. So answer will be 0.45. That is your answer. Now again we have to find out 0.45 in your Z table. Okay, Z score table. So same is that is before 0.45 is equal to 0.4495, that is 1.64. Okay, and after 0.45, that is 0.4505, that is 1.65. And for Z1, what we have to take? 1.64 plus 1.65 divided by 2, 1.645. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, what is the question? How we can find out? It's very easy. 4 mark question is there. If you are writing this much, 4 marks that you get. Okay, again, what we have to do? First of all, we have to see either it is left side or right hand side. If it is left hand side, we have to start from left hand side. If it is right side, we have to start from right side. Okay, and whatever value is there, we have to set it, because the whole value is 1. The whole value of probability is 1. So this is given 0.95. From left hand side we have to start. Where it is completed 0.95, it is nearest to 1. And here we have to start from right hand side. Okay. So where is 0.5? From beginning. If it is given right hand side, if it is given 0.95, where should we have to draw? At the end. So here we have to only see whether this is the left hand side and right hand side. Draw the bell-shaped diagram and then we have to solve it. Okay. So this is question number 7. See.